Hi, I'm Maverick, a Build.com project expert, and welcome to our FAQ series, Glad You Asked. Today's question is, I want a custom shower system, but where do I start? Whether the shower is the place that you start your morning or unwind at the end of a long day, choosing the right components is essential to getting the most out of your system. Swapping one shower head for another is a very simple DIY project, but creating a custom shower system is a little more tricky. In this video, we'll break it down so you can get exactly what you want for your remodel. Let's head to the Buildcom Bathroom Set for a closer look. A basic shower system is made up of just a few components. On the outside of the wall, there's the shower head, the arm that the head attaches to, and a knob or handle to control the water flow and temperature. These are typically pressure balance valves, which means that the water temperature and the water flow are controlled by a single handle. Inside the wall, there's a rough-in valve, and that's the part operated by the handle or the knob. The rough-in valve is where the hot and the cold water mixes before it comes out of the shower head, so you can adjust your shower to the perfect temperature. A shower system has more components and endless custom configurations. In this bathroom, we chose Delta fixtures in champagne bronze with 3 separate faucets or outlets. Let's take a look at each of those components. Mounted on the ceiling, we've got a large rain shower head. And on the wall, there's a single function shower head and a separate hand shower. The hand shower is mounted to a slide bar, and the faucet can be moved up and down the bar for hands-free use, or you can unclip it and use it that way. Next, let's talk about the controls. This handle is the pressure balance valve, and it controls the water flow and the water temperature. This next handle is the diverter, and this is how you choose which faucet or combination of faucets the water flows out of. Now, let's talk about the components inside the wall that let you operate all the things outside the wall. The pressure balance valve, remember, that's the handle that controls the water flow and temperature, is connected to a mixing rough-in valve. The diverter, the handle that lets you select which faucet or combination of faucets that the water flows from, is connected to a diverter rough-in valve. It's important to know that mixing valves and diverter valves vary by manufacturer. So you need to make sure that the valves inside the wall are compatible with the controls on the outside of the wall. Putting together a shower system can be complicated. So to make things easier, Build.com has put together a number of complete packages with everything that you need. And if you want to add more components, like body sprays or additional shower heads, our project experts are available 7 days a week with free advice to help you put together a custom shower package. To learn more about shower systems, check out our buying guide by clicking the link below, and visit Build.com to shop for everything you need for your next project. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and tune in next time when we answer a new question on Glad You Asked. Thanks for watching! For more videos like this one, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel below, and head on over to Build.com for everything you need for your next project.